Okay, we're all geared up. And here we go. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, dip.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess Team.
Hi Prince and Princess, Princess Pham.
So today we are doing a very fun video. We are going to hydro dip. So we've been seeing lots of video all over YouTube about people dipping different things, and we needed some new school supplies. So we're gonna be hydro dipping some of our school supplies.
Let's check out everything we need for this DIY activity. So we're going to need a big container of water. We're also gonna need some spray paint. We also need some gloves, which is really important. We need some safety glasses, and we need a...
Well, we don't have a face mask. Couldn't find any, so we're gonna use this t-shirt and use it as some kind of bandana face mask. Whatever you need to protect yourself from the fumes of the spray paint. And then those are the basic things that you need, but then you need the stuff that you're gonna be dipping in the hydro dip. So like I said, we're doing school supplies. So we got pencils, there's glue, we got a roller. What else do we have over there, Princess Pham?
We also have a folder, and we have a binder.
Okay, this is the best we can get. We got our safety glasses. There you go. Go ahead, Princess Pham, put yours on. And then we have our face mask. I'll put this on whenever we start so we can talk. Here you go. We got our gloves. Thank you. We need these because we want to keep our hands nice and safe from the spray paint. So we're gonna be dipping the object in. If you guys want to do this experiment at home, make sure you ask a parent for help, because you definitely will need your parents to help you with this DIY project. Okay. So now we are going to pick whatever color we want to spray in, and it could be like a few colors. Think tie-dye, Princess Pham. So what pattern do we want to do? I say we start also with the glue first.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick pink. What color do you want?
I'm gonna pick, what about this light blue over here?
Okay. Okay, we're all geared up. And here we go. Ooh. Oh, this is making bubbles. Okay, go ahead, Princess Pham. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna spray glue. Ooh. Whoa. Maybe closer. Okay, a little closer. Maybe a little more this time. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa! Hey! You moved all of our blue! I think we need more blue. I think so too. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Okay, spray it really gently. Little pressure. Okay, so we have some pattern right here. I say we dip this glue in. Do it! Whoa! Okay, and then we're supposed to move all of the paint away. All the paint away. And you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, it turned out okay. I feel like we need more spray paint. What do you think?
I don't know, maybe we could swirl it.
Let's see.
Does that work?
I don't know. Oh, not bad. Okay, we're learning as we go. So I think Princess Pham figured it out. What did you find out, Princess Pham?
Well, I found out that I just have to use very little pressure so that the water doesn't get everywhere.
Okay, how about you try it first?
Okay.
Cover up your nose, okay? And lightly press down. Oh, okay, a little too hard. Oh, okay. Okay, so they got some yellow there. I'm gonna make another area over here. And how about one more over here? me try with this blue. Do it here. So press slowly, right?
Gentle.
Is that better?
That's better, right there. Perfect.
I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, better. I think we need more yellow, Princess Pham.
Okay. We can add more yellow. Let's put some.
Ooh,
Here. Some. Here.
ooh. Oh, my bad.
I think the thick one is very hard to use.
Alright, how about we go with that?
Yeah, I think that looks good.
Alright, you do the roller.
Okay, so I just dip it in?
Yep, just dip it in.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure I get all these colors. So I think right about here looks good.
Okay, and dip it all the way down. And then we'll move the colors away. The ones that you aren't using. Alright, and go ahead and lift up and see what happens.
Oh, there's a long area of the teal here. I got some purple, pink, yellow. I mean, I guess it's not bad for my first time, right?
Yeah, we can let it dry and we'll see what happens. Let's try this again, round 3. So in order to start, we pretty much cleared the water by putting all of the old spray paint across close to this border here, and then we're gonna spray again. But remember, when you spray to cover your face, and I got gold, and gently. Ooh, everywhere. Better. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, we'll do some of this
Maybe I'll do it simultaneously. I think we're going kind of slow and it's drying up. How about that?
here. Okay.
Really?
Ooh,
Ooh, that's really pretty. I think we just do the gold and the blue. What do you think?
Okay, we could do that. I think we need a little bit more blue.
A little more blue?
Yeah, because we need more because the folder is kind of big.
Okay. I think that's good.
Okay. No, I think we need a little bit more because we're going to dip the whole folder in.
Okay.
Over here, Princess Pham. So this is our pattern, and let's dip our folder in.
Awesome. You want to do it?
Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, so
good.
I think I'm gonna do it like this. And let's just 1, 2, 3, dip. Oh, and I need some more. I need some more gold. I need some more gold. Maybe Princess Pham, maybe you can help me move some of this gold over here. Yeah. Oh.
Oh no, it's getting stuck.
Okay, okay. All right, I think
Ooh,
that one.
I think that looks pretty cool.
Okay, let me just have it this way. There we go. I think this one's more of a success. What do you guys think? We just have to let it dry.
It looks like marble.
I know. That looks super cool.
I know.
Wow, I love it.
Oh my goodness, look at the back.
Oh my goodness, this looks amazing.
Hey, you know what they say?
Third time's a charm! Okay, I'm gonna totally let this dry. Do you have room over there?
Yes, let me just pick this up.
Okay, because we're gonna do the binder next. You think we're up for that challenge, Princess Pham?
I think we should do gold with another color.
Okay, gold and what? Pink or purple?
Maybe purple, yeah.
Okay, I'll do the purple, you do the gold this time.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, so you wanna put the binder down?
Yes.
Okay, this one's blue. Okay,
This is good.
so remember to be
Safe.
and spray away. Oh, whoa, my bad. Need more gold.
Coming, gold coming.
Oh. I'm gonna take this off. Ooh, okay, check it out. This is our design. And Princess Pham, you do the honors.
Okay.
Just 2 hands and put it all the way in.
2 hands and all the way in. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna push it all the way down. And I saw you do like a little side kind of swoop as you're coming up.
Yep, I'm trying to get the colors in there, that's why.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that too. Ooh, maybe
I should get some of this color here, yeah.
Let's go back.
Okay.
This way.
I think it's getting on there. Okay, lift. I think you're good. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that's the front. I can't wait to see the back.
All right, let's take a look at the back.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, there's definitely a lot more spray paint back there.
And look at this right here.
What do you think?
I'm loving our school supplies. I can't wait for it to be dry. But one more. We have 2 pencils left that we need to do.
Ooh.
I'll do this side and you do that side and we'll see how it turns out.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go with blue or my favorite teal.
Okay. I guess I'll go with pink. We don't have many.
And I'll go with teal and purple.
Okay. I'm gonna go with pink and yellow.
Okay.
And gold.
Make sure to protect yourself. Go ahead.
So this is my pink. Actually, I'm gonna give it a good shake. It does make a big difference there. Oh, I think it's going to your side.
Alright, there we go.
My yellow.
And then my purple. Ooh. Trying to get a good mix. There we go. Oh, mine's on your side.
It's okay. I only need a small space.
Okay, so now we got our pencils. And I'm going to hold the eraser area. And then,
Good idea. Okay, I'm gonna put mine across the gold, the yellow, and the pink. I'm actually gonna give it a swirl. What do you guys think? Alright, here we have it. Hey, I don't got much gold, but I got a lot of yellow and pink.
Oh, that was so much fun. I had so much fun making our own DIY school supplies. I can't wait to go back to school and use our new school supplies. But Prince and Princesses, that's the end of today's video.
If you like more DIY activities, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses. Bye.